What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sanitizer, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so today I'm going to bring you guys an inventory haul, because I did say I wanted to show you guys what I do sell, even though this video is technically not telling you exactly what I sell. I mean, when I show you the stuff, I'll tell you what they're for, but I'll be doing a video on literally showing you exactly what I sell in a later video. But I wanted to bring you an inventory haul for my business, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you know the next time I post. Okay, let's get into the video. So this thing of stuff because I don't be liking to keep them in the boxes. So yeah, and I was trying so hard to hold off on using a lot of these items. So yeah, so let's get into it. So I have these little dropper bottles, right? So originally I was supposed to use these for my face serums, but I didn't notice how small they were. So I still might use them, but like for maybe samples of the face serum. I don't know yet. And there's I think 50 in here, and I paid like 20 something. Probably like $22, $23, whatever. I had to pay shipping, which is annoying, but yeah. I bought these on Amazon. An essential, I got some rubbing alcohol. Of course, I was looking for 91, but they did not have it. And usually I have some, but since of this pandemic, since the Rona is around, it's hard to get some of this. So when I found it, I just took one. Even at that, honey, you only had a limit of one anyway. So I have these. Let me just show you one. So these spatulas are for my lip scrubs and hand scrubs. That way you can take out the product. Of course, I got this from Amazon. I don't remember the price because I bought that a long time ago. So I have see, I didn't even open it. This is tea tree oil. I got this from Amazon, probably. Yeah, probably Amazon. Shoot, I'm gonna save this bubble wrap, honey, because I can use that. I have, what is this? Damn, these people take this up real good. They don't want nothing falling, honey. Damn, it's all connected to my damn hair. Yo, how do I open this thing? Because I wasn't trying to rip the bubble wrap, because if I'm going to use it again, I don't want to rip it. Okay. This is geranium. Y'all, I can't read, but this is the oil. This is for a project for my face serum. that I'm planning on doing. So I bought 25 or 24, I don't remember, 25 or 24 of these. So these are for my hand sanitizer. If you don't know, I sell hand sanitizer, so go on the website and get your hand sanitizer. The 2 scents that I have are strawberry and blueberry, and then unscented. I have rosebuds. This is for, I think this is for the face serums. I don't remember. I have to look at my notes. This, I don't know what this is. Let's open it up. Let's see what this is. Y'all, I'm so excited to drop the new stuff I have. The reason I haven't dropped them yet, one, I'm still waiting for inventory, and I want to test them out first to see if they're good, because I don't want to sell stuff that I don't like, you know, actually think work. Oh, I know what this is. So this is liquid biotin. Liquid biotin. That's for something that I'm planning on doing. You just gotta stick around and find out what it is, can you? This is actually a preservative for something that I'm also planning on doing. For the oils, I got all the oils from Amazon. And these are wand tubes, because these are going to be my new wand tubes that I'm going to be using for my lip gloss. I only have 9 right now because I bought them from a vendor. She only had 9 left, so I bought them. But I have more coming. I have face masks. I have this purifying one, a hydrating one, and this gold one. So obviously they're for different stuff. The Freeman ones have 2 sheets, so those are more. And then this one has 1 sheet, and it is less. I believe this is $150, and these are $250 each, which is not bad, honey. Because if you know Freeman, you know they bomb. So I have that, and then I also have these, which is a lip and under eye mask. If you want this, you can get it. I think it's $5 on my website. $5. I also have glitter. So I have these blue butterflies and like these holographic ones. I have plans for lip gloss for those. And I bought these bags from the Dollar Tree. So I originally ordered them on Amazon, but I watched this YouTuber called Red, and I saw her packaging her wholesale orders, and I saw that she was using these, and I was like, hold up, I know that brand. That brand is from the Dollar Tree. So I was like, let me go see if my Dollar Tree got it, because it's gonna be better for me if I can just get it right now, you know, feel me? So I went on over to my Dollar Tree, and then I found some. So I got 6, and each has 40. And when I was gonna buy them on Amazon, mind you, they were a smaller size. This is 3.8, and the one that I was getting was 3.4, I think. 3.4 or 3.5, and it was only 100 for 7 and some change, and I got 6, and I technically paid $7. So if you do the math, the Dollar Tree's better. You what I'm saying? But to be honest, that is all I have for you guys. I know I wish I had more stuff. I will be doing another inventory haul because more stuff is coming, so I'll try my best to save them for a video. And let me know what you think, and go ahead and support your girl with the link in the bio, and go purchase your little knickknacks. You feel me? Go purchase your little knickknacks. And yeah, thanks for watching my video, and click that like and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you know the next time that I post. And yeah, and follow us on Instagram on our business page. So yeah, bye.